How to make a Father's Day poster using AI. So our first step in making a Father's Day poster is in ChatGPT. Here we are going to put a photo design that we have seen and we want to recreate it. I already have mine. I have downloaded mine from Canva. This is Canva. I've downloaded this design and I want to recreate it. So we're going to attach the design that we have downloaded from Canva. Canva is a good platform. It is also an AI for graphics design, so you can do it. So it is there. So I'm going to ask ChatGPT to analyze the poster. Going to ask it to analyze the poster, and then after that we're going to tell it to generate a prompt of what we want to create. So the first step is in ChatGPT. Let us wait for it to finish. It has already finished. So you're going to ask it, I want to create a Father's Day poster where I will add an image for father. Generate a prompt, generate a detailed prompt for it. So we are asking ChatGPT to generate a prompt for us. So we wait for it to finish. As you can see, it is generating. It's generating. So we have our prompt ready. As you can see, we have our prompt ready. So we're going to copy it, and then you're going to Google Flow. Google Flow is where we're going to recreate it. So this is the interface. You can just type Google Flow on your browser and sign in if you have not yet signed in with your Gmail account. Then it will bring you to this interface. So you're going to new project. So let us check in all these updates that we are having. Let's get started. So we're going to do it on Google Flow. So we're going to change it to image, and here we're going to select 9:16 ratio because we want to create a portrait. So we're going to use 9:16 ratio, and the number of generations we are going to use ×2 so that we can choose among two. And our model that we're going to use is Nano Banana 2. We're going to use Nano Banana 2. So that's all. So going to upload the image that we want to put it inside this poster that we are recreating. And remember, the image that you will be using, make sure it does not have a background. For good results, it is advised to remove the background. Yes, so we have it ready. So we're going to paste the prompt that we copied, and we're going to review the prompt. so that we can add or remove anything that we do not want. So we're going to review it step by step, because it is very important. It is very important, as you can see here. So we're going to change here to be 9:16 ratio, so that it can match with what we are doing. It is good to reread and to so here place a large vertical arch photo in the frame. So we're going to refer it to the image that we have uploaded, so that it knows exactly what we want. It is good to go ahead and to check. So that's for now. Let us remove those words. So it is good, once you have your prompt generated using ChatGPT, it is good to go through it and to add or make some changes. So you're going to use my photo for the purpose of this tutorial, but you can use the photo of your father or any other person whom you want to honor. So let's wait for the generations to be completed. As you can see, the generations are being made, so let us wait for them to be generated and to be completed. Amazing, 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 amazing. As you can see, we have generations ready. As you can see, this one, I personally love this design, so that's why I chose it. You can choose any other design that you love. And remember, I used Canva to come up with a template, to download the template. As you can see, it has done a good job. And that's within less than 10 minutes. So you will choose the one that you love. I prefer this, the first one. So you're going to download it in the original 1K size, and we have it ready. So let's go and view it. Let us go and view it right now. Let us go and view it. Let us wait for it to load. And that's amazing. So that's how you can make a Happy Father's Day poster using AI. It is so simple and very enjoyable. Thank you for watching. Thank you for watching. If you found this useful, kindly share it with someone, and remember to leave a like. Thank you.